What else you got cool we can check out?
Come on in here and check out the Z.
Wow.
That's
Once again,
so impressive.
Once again, the pictures don't do it justice, man.
It's kind of goofy how the cow don't go all the way back, but I wasn't going to order a different cow, so we made that one.
Who makes that cow?
I got it off Summit.
Oh, Summit?
This is a fiberglass cow. We've actually got some legit sponsors too.
Yeah, see. Yo, look at this exhaust.
It's just an eBay 3-inch. Now I do have good PPE headers.
Okay. How about I leave my Maxima here and I take this one?
You don't want to drive this 9 hours on the road, I'm going to tell you that.
Where the hell am I going to sit? You cut all the pieces out.
Yeah, that false firewall we put on. I wish I would have moved the motor back. I wanted to do that to get more weight on the rear, but I didn't want to buy a custom drive shaft. But there's way too much weight on the front of these cars.
So you said this is a Maxima motor?
Yep. I put Ultima sub covers on it though. These little covers here.
Okay. Yeah.
Put Ultima sub covers just to get more clearance. But yeah, it's a Maxima motor with the new C8 JWT cams, which are the absolute biggest cams you can get for stock pistons.
Okay.
Basically, all we done was take the valve covers off, take the timing cover off, put the valve springs in, put the cams in, and that's it. The head's never been off, the piston's never been out, none of that. It's 03. So between that and the manifold and the fuel, it's gonna be making some power.
What'd you do on the intake with that carbon look? Is that just a wrap?
No, it's actually a carbon fiber lid.
Oh, it is, okay.
Yeah. See, on the Z's, this carbon fiber lid, the throttle body flange is like an inch or so further back.
Right.
If you use the cast aluminum one, this whole intake is like sitting right here.
Okay.
So it just don't work. So the Z's, you have to use this manifold. It's real carbon fiber. And then you got your whole hood issue. I mean, you can see how normally this is like no issue right here.
Yeah.
Like,
No.
run it back like the other one, the vacuum was?
Even cutting all that out, turning it around, they're still running up full.
You know, it's hitting the power.
Yeah.
Even with this big cowl, I'm wondering how much clearance do you really have under there?
We got quite a bit.
Yeah?
It looks good.
It looks like it comes up a lot, this intake manifold.
It does.
Yeah.
I mean, this peak right here is just in the worst possible spot.
Yeah.
We cut that out so the manifold would poke through, and then put the cowl. But even the cowl took a lot of work.
Right.
Most of cows, all the height is at the rear of the cowl, and we need the height here. So we actually had to put a lot of work into that. And I had a body guy do all that. Yep, I've got 1000cc injectors already in there. I gotta put a fuel pump in it. Change the rear tire, and then I can put it on the dyno.
Can you start it or no?
Yeah.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't sound like a Z. No more trumpet sound.
When it warms up and the idle comes down, it really sounds good.
Okay.
You can hear the low of it now.
Yeah. And that's at, 1,000 RPM cold start.
Right.
It's actually about out of gas.
Oh, okay. Got it.
You can get a better view if I popped in.
Aside from the tune, what else you gotta do on this?
Put the rear gear in. I've got a 4.36 rear gear. We cut all this stuff out. Normally Z's have all this metal that goes through here. I mean, I don't know. They really over-engineered the chassis or something, but
Yeah.
there was way too much metal in this darn car. I mean, they're just way too heavy. I know they're a sports car and they're rigid, but
Right.
it's I think it's too much.
With that rear strut brace. And you have, I mean, not that it matters in this car, but anyone who owns a Z know you have no storage space back there.
Because it's wasted in sheet metal. Like, look at all this room.
Yeah.
I like how their priorities were right here was a little thingy that shows you how to put your golf clubs in.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah, right.
there's actually a lot of room there now. And see, I didn't do anything to the hatch. The
Right.
hatch is 80 pounds,
Wow.
but I need all my weight over the rear tires, so I don't want to lose weight back here. I want to lose weight on the front.
Right.
I think that's a mistake a lot of C people do. They lose all the weight you lose in the rear. It's easy to lose in the rear. It's hard to lose in the front.
So what are the plans with this one?
To run a 10-second quarter mile, all water, just like the Maxima.
Right.
Yeah, see, with the 436 gear, I need that 28 tire. Otherwise, I won't have enough mile an hour top end. 28 by 10.5 on a 15-inch wheel. I got 26s also. Yeah, I might try if I have to, because that might be a little bit too much tire for just all wood setup.
So when you plan on taking this out for the first time?
I'm not sure. It depends on the track schedule. But the track I normally go to, they haven't been open in a little while. I'm hoping to get out there before it gets hot. That way I can do the 10.
Right.
I don't think it'll do a 10 in summertime heat.
Yeah, you need that cold air.
So if we don't get it done soon, we'll have to wait till it cools down. It's pretty much done. Body wise.
Do you have any other Z's or just this one right now?
Just this.
Didn't you have another one or no?
Yeah, I had bought one to make a drag car out of, but the car was way too nice, and I just couldn't do it, so I sold it.
Oh, okay.
And I don't know if you noticed, but the alternator's on the whole other side of the engine. The Z is on the passenger side. On this one's on the driver's side.
Yeah, that's down the bottom.
Yeah, because this is a Maxima engine with a Maxima timer cover. Where's the alternator? It's in the stock location. Right there.
Okay, I see what you did there.
Yeah, I think we didn't even use a stock mount location. We used
So basically you use this mount to bolt that, and you're using the position of the trans mount and all that for the pitch of the engine.
Yep, exactly.
Okay, I get you now. Yeah, that totally would have sucked. I would have screwed that up.
That's why all these years nobody's ever put a Maxima engine in a Z, because it don't make sense most of the time. But if there's anybody that's gonna do that, it's gonna be us. I thought about it for years about putting that motor in this car. For a street car, it just don't make sense. You're not gonna have power steering, you're not gonna have AC without a lot more work and money. It's just at that point, just put a regular engine in the car. But for me, it makes sense. Yeah. See, the Maxima guys are really lucky. We got this swap option. The Z guys don't.
Yeah.
The If you got a DEZ and that motor goes, you gotta put a DE in back in.
And that thing even costs me $12.
Exactly. And a rev up's gonna cost you 18 to